Hello students, yesterday we have completed practice set 1.2. Today we are starting practice set 1.3. Let's start it. Okay. In question number 1, what is given here? Write the following rational number in the decimal form. Okay, we have to write rational number into the decimal form. First, let's recap. Rational number is denoted in which form? P by Q. Okay, rational number is denoted in P by Q form, in which P is in numerator and Q is in denominator. For converting from P by Q form to decimal form, we will divide P from Q. Okay, we have to divide P from Q. So that's why we can convert easily rational number into the decimal form. Here we have given 9 by 37. As you can see, 9 by 37 is in the ratio of the P by Q. Okay, it is like that, P by Q. Here P is 9 and Q is 37. Okay, in numerator here 9 is given and denominator here 37 is given. Okay, so what will we do? We will divide numerator by denominator. Always remember this. For converting decimal form, divide numerator by denominator. Okay, always remember this. For converting decimal form, we will divide numerator by denominator. Okay, let's do it. In denominator, what is here? 37. So we will write as 37. In numerator, what is given here? 9. So we will write in the dividend form. Okay, 37. Okay, 9 is greater than 37? No. So that's why we will put, firstly we will take 0. 37 zeros are 0. Okay, 9 minus 0, 9. So we can put here 0 and we will apply here a point. Okay, point indicates that the numbers are going to be in the decimal form. Okay, 37, how much table we will write? 37 twos are. Okay, 37 twos are, 2 sevens are 4, 14, 4 carry 1, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so 37 twos are 74, 90 minus 74, how much this is? 10 minus 4, 6, and 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, so again we have applied here decimal, so that's why we can put again 0. Okay, if we do not apply here decimal, so we can't take 0. If we have applied here decimals, so in every steps we can apply 0 if it is necessary. Okay, because 16, we got number 16 is less than the 37. Until we get the less number from the divisor, we will apply 0 here. Okay, we will put 0 sign. Okay, now here 160, so we will multiply by 4. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 8 carry 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So we will have minus 60 minus 48, what is 12? Okay, again we are getting 12. 12 is less than 37, so we will put here 0. Okay, so now 37 4s are 148, so we will apply here 37 3s are 37 3s are 3 7s are 21, 1 carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. Okay, 120 minus 111. Okay, 111, how much is there? 9. 9 is the smallest number. 9 is smaller than the 37. If you are looking that, we are again getting 9. Okay, so we can reverse it. Okay, 37, but now we will not put here 0. Okay, so we will put here 0. Okay, 37 twos are, so 37 twos are 74. Minus, when will be minus here, then we will get 16. Again the steps are repeating, so that's why here we can notice that 2 4 3 is repeating again and again, so we will put here bar. Okay, or at which we will put here bar, which is recurring. Okay, here what is recurring? 2 4 3. Again we will divide it by we will put here 160 and we will divide by the 37. Here we will put 148. Again we will get 12 and we will put 0, and again these steps will recurring, repeat. So that's why we are putting here bar. This line is called as the bar, and at which we will at which point this line is going to be placed, the point which are repeating. Here 3 points are repeating again and again, which are that 2 4 3. So we will put bar on that sign. For example, 0.243. So we will put bar on the 243. So we will write as the 9 by 37 is equal to 0.243 bar. It means that the 243 is repeating again and again. It goes on infinity if we do. Okay, so we will put a bar, and until when we have to do the calculation, till when we do not get the zero. हम लोग को कब तक ये कैलकुलेशन करना है? जब तक हम लोग को लास्ट में जीरो नहीं मिले. लेकिन जब हम लोग यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन करें तो हम लोग को बार बार नंबर मिल रहा है, इसीलिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ऊपर बार प्लेस करेंगे. अगर जीरो मिल जाएगा तो बार प्लेस नहीं करेंगे. ओके ओके, let's do question number 2 is same as the question number 1. Let's do question number 3. What is given here? 9 by 14. Okay, here in numerator what is given here? 9, and denominator what is given here? 14. Okay, so we will divide numerator by the denominator. So we will write here 9 and here 14. Okay, as we know 9 is less than the 14, so we will multiply by 0. 14 zeros are 0 minus 9. Okay, so we will put here point decimal. Okay, so after putting here decimal, we can as we know, when we put one time decimal, we can apply in every step 0 if it is necessary, means that the number is less than the divisor here. Okay, so here 9, so we will apply here 90. Okay, so 14 and 90. So let's read the table of 14. 14 6 are, okay, we will either 14 6 are, what is 84. So we will write here 14 6 are 84. Okay, 10 minus 4 6, and 8 minus 8 0. Okay, again we get the 6 is less than the 14, so we will apply here 0. Okay, after that what is 14? Let's read the table of 14. 14 6 are 14 4s are 56. When we subtract 56 from the 60, we get 4. Okay, again we will apply here 0, and 14 2s are here 28. Okay, because 14 3s are 42, that's why 14 2s are 28. 40 minus 28, again 12 is less than the 14, so we will apply here 0. Okay, after that let's read the table. 14 5 are 70, 14 6 are 84, 14 7 are 98. Okay, 14 8 are 112. Okay, so here we will write here 14 8s are 112. Okay, 1. So 20 minus 12, what is 8? Okay, 20 minus 12 8, and 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so we will neglect it. Again we get the 8 is less than the 14, so we will again apply here 80. Okay, as we are seeing 14 5s are how much is there? 70. 80 minus 70, 10. Okay, this is going to be very large. Okay, we have to do this calculation until we do not get repeated number, or until when the remainder becomes 0. Okay, now it is not becoming 0, not repeating number, so we will continue. Okay, here 10, then we will apply here 0, then it becomes 100. After that we know that the 14 7 ja. Okay, 14 7 ja, how much is there? 98. Okay, 100 minus 98, what is? We are getting 20. Okay, so 20 is greater than 14, so we will not apply here 0. Okay, 14 1s are 14. 20 minus 14, 60. So look here, 60, again we are getting 60, so again we will apply here 14 4s are 56. Okay, so we will again get 40, then again 12, again 8. Okay, so like in that manner our sum will here, our calculation will continuously goes on increasing by the repeating number. So we are getting 60 at which 1. Okay, so here 60, after the 60 what is here? 28. 28 means 2. Okay, and 60 will get at 4. So we will write here that this number 42857 is continuously goes on repeating. Okay, so we will write as 9 by 14 is equal to 0.64 here. Add the question here. We will copy here 0.64 to 8571. And from which point it is repeating? It is repeating from 90 here. 90 is denoted by 90 is the form of the 4. Okay, so we will write here the and we will place here bar from the 4 to the last one. Okay, from the 4 it is going to be repeated, because we are not getting here 9, we are getting here 60. Okay, so 60, from 60 it is going to be repeating, so that's why we will put here from the 4. Okay, so our final answer would be like this: 9 by 14 is equal to 0.6428571, and the bar is in the top of from the 4.4. Okay, understood everyone? Chalo, let's do question number 4. Okay, here in numerator -103 and denominator is 5. Okay, here we have given a minus sign. Okay, we don't have to apply in the division system minus sign, we will put here as it is. Okay, let's start. Which is divided by which? Numerator is divided by the denominator. Okay, so here we will write firstly 5, which is in denominator, and what is in numerator? 103. Numerator there is -103, but in dividing we will not put minus here. Okay, so let's start. 5, there is first two number is 10. Okay, in table of 5 10 comes, 5 to the 10. Okay, 10 minus 10 0, and we will put here 3. Okay, in table of 5 3 does not come. Okay, so we will write here 5 zeros are 0, 3 minus 0 3. So we can put here point. Okay, so when we are putting here points, so we can apply a 0. Okay, 5 6 30. 30 minus 30 0. So we are getting remainder as 0. So we will stop calculating. So we have when we have to stop calculating, हम लोग को कब कैलकुलेशन को स्टॉप करना है? जब हम लोग को रिमाइंडर में 0 मिले या तो रिमाइंडर में कंटिन्यूअस नंबर आता रहे. ओके, तो वी विल राइट एज -103 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू -20.6. इन राइटिंग द आंसर वी विल पुट हियर माइनस. आंसर लिखते वक्त हम लोग क्या पुट करेंगे? माइनस साइन पुट करेंगे, लेकिन डिवाइड करते वक्त माइनस पुट करना है क्या? नो. Okay, so by this question we have completed the 3 questions today, 1, 3 and 4, and remaining question you have to try by yourself. Along with this you have to solve all the question, total 5 questions 2 times. Okay, thank you.